In this video, I will show you how to set up your SPF, DKIM, and DMARC settings for Google Workspace in less than 3 minutes, even if you've never touched DNS settings before. Mailbox providers like Gmail, Outlook, and Yahoo are getting stricter than ever with their spam filters. Setting up SPF, DKIM, and DMARC ensures your emails reach the inbox. When you don't set them up properly, your emails might land in spam, never reaching your audience, costing you sales, leads, and clients. And all the time you spent writing those emails will go to waste. DKIM, SPF, and DMARC are basically email authentications that prevent spoofing and phishing. DKIM attaches a unique signature to your emails, proving they're from you and haven't been tampered with. SPF tells mailbox providers which servers can send emails for your domain. Finally, DMARC decides what mailbox providers should do if emails fail SPF or DKIM checks. If this sounds like technical gibberish to you, don't worry. You can check out this video where I explain all three in detail in the simplest way possible for non-techies. The link is in the description. But you don't need to understand what they are and how they work to set them up. Just follow along with my step-by-step instructions and you'll have bulletproof email authentication in under 3 minutes. Let's go to my laptop where I'll walk you through it. I made this checklist with Google Docs to make it easy for you to follow along and finish all the steps. You can find a link to it in the description. It's a direct link. You don't need to sign up for anything. First, make sure you're logged into your Google Workspace account and your domain registrar. This is the website you bought your domain from. These are sites like GoDaddy, Namecheap, or iPage. If you manage your DNS domain name servers with a third-party tool like Cloudflare, make sure you are logged in there. We will start by setting up your SPF. Go to the DNS management or DNS settings page of your domain registrar. I use GoDaddy, so I am here. I'm going to set this up for a domain I own called bigoutreach.com. To set up your SPF, first click on Add New Record. For type, choose TXT. For name, add @ Then under value, what I want you to do is I want you to copy and paste this code that I put here on the checklist. Just copy it and then go to your DNS records and go to value and paste it. And then leave TTL as ½ hour. That's good. If you're on Namecheap or some other providers, you want to choose automatic for TTL and then just save it. Your SPF is set up now. However, it might take a day or two for the changes to reflect. Sometimes it's immediate, but sometimes it can take 24 to 48 hours for the changes to reflect. So let's add DMARC now. Click on Add New Record again. On the type, choose TXT. For name, copy and paste this. If you're using Namecheap, name will be labeled as host. It's the same thing. It's just different branding they're using, so don't worry about it. So just copy and paste it here and then copy and paste the value, which is this. However, you're going to make one small change to it. So after you paste it here, what you're going to do is you're going to change the email address over here with your email address. This email address will get a DMARC report once or twice daily. So for example, I'm going to use mitt@bigoutreach.com. You can use your email address or an employee's email address or something like a contactor's email address, whichever you prefer. Set the TTL as ½ hour for automatic and then click save. And now your DMARC is also set up. So now let's add our DKIM. Click on Add New Record again. On the type, choose TXT. Under name, we need to copy and paste this. It was Google._domain key. We need to copy and paste this. Name. And you need to get your value from your Google Workspace account. This is unique to your account. So go to your Google Workspace email. Then click on this dotted square here. Then click on admin. Then click on apps on the menu on the left. Then click on Google Workspace. Here click on Gmail. Then go to authenticate email. Then choose your domain name from the list. And click generate new record. Yeah, sorry, I have blurred everything out because this is a code you need to protect. Even if it's a code I need to protect, even you need to protect. Don't ever share this with anyone. So just copy this and then go to your DNS settings and paste it in value. Again, sorry for blurring it. I need to keep my code safe and you should too. After that, keep TTL as half hour or automatic and click on save. And then you go back to your admin and you click on start authentication and Google will start its authentication. And then your DKIM will be set up too. Congrats! You've now successfully set up SPF, DKIM, and DMARC. Your emails are now authenticated and ready to bypass spam filters. However, it might take up to 48 hours for DNS changes to fully propagate. During this time, mailbox providers will gradually recognize your updated records. So don't worry if you don't see immediate results. Now that you're set up, grab my free email durability and open rate accelerator. The link is in the description. It's packed with actionable tips to boost your durability and open rates. And I have these two videos for you. One is for setting up your Google Postmaster tools, while the other is for how to use it, what the different metrics mean, and the action steps you need to take based on the data it shows you. It helps you track SPF, DKIM, DMARC, and various other metrics that are essential for email deliverability.